take number 12. This is why I need to write things down. I'm not writing things down. And I'm shooting from the hip again. Yeah, here we go. Phones, drones, and tech, take, cut. Okay, I've got it. Ready. I'm composed. I've got some notes here. What's up, guys? I'm Original Dobo. This is Phones, Drones, and Tech, and if you're new around here or you've seen the channel before, consider hitting that subscribe button if you already haven't. Wednesday, March 7th, I will be going to IWCE 2018. It's an expo it's the International Wireless Communications Expo in Orlando, Florida. I've never been, but it's supposedly a pretty premier event and it's going to be awesome. And one of my main reasons, or the only reason I'm even interested in this show, is that Autel Robotics is going to be there in the drone zone demonstrating and presenting the Autel Evo. So I thought it'd be a great time to go check it out, film, talk to the Autel Robotics crew, and ask them some questions that maybe we didn't get a chance to find out at CES. This is a little bit smaller of an event, so it's gonna be a little bit more intimate, and I'm gonna be able to ask the questions that you all wanna know. So I bring the question to you. What would you like me to ask Autel? Right now on the table, I have when is it gonna be released, how much, confirmed, and what about this rumored 1-inch sensor that y'all are talking about? So those are my three main questions I want to ask. Obviously, we need a release date, and I want to know more about the feature sets that this is going to offer, and hopefully get some hands-on time with the drone itself. So that's what I'm asking. So make sure you comment in the section below and tell me what you want to know or what you want me to ask them while I'm there, and I'll make sure I definitely get to all the questions that are asked. You know, if it's a reasonable amount of questions, I will definitely ask that. Hopefully this drone does get a very soon to be released release date, because I know I am holding out. I didn't even think about the Mavic Air because I want this Evo drone. It's like the perfect size for me, and I like the looks of it. I know it looks and takes a lot of cues from the Mavic, but I guess at heart I am an Autel fanboy. So Autel, if you're listening, I can't wait to see you guys on Wednesday. And you know, I'm just saying, throwing this out here, don't have to do it, but you know, you could send me a review unit or invite me to Autel. I will fly out there. Anyways, that's gonna do it. Very quick video on that. So get your questions in. If you want to know something about the drone, I will definitely do that. And I will catch you all in the next video. Peace. I don't like that. I don't like peace. See ya. Adios. Bye-bye. Arrivederci. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in the next video. No, that's a terrible impression. Terrible. May the force be with you. I can't do that Star Trek thing. I guess there. I'll see you guys later.